In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files between two OneDrive accounts. Whether you're managing work files or personal documents, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Microsoft dashboard. Here, you'll notice an app launcher icon, a small grid located typically in the upper left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. A menu will unfold, displaying all the available Microsoft apps. From this assortment, select OneDrive, which will take you directly to your cloud storage. Once inside OneDrive, you'll want to find the section labeled My Files. This area hosts all your currently stored files and folders. Browse through your files, and when you've located the folder you wish to transfer, give it a click. Doing so will highlight the folder, signaling that it's been selected. With your folder selected, it's time to look for the Share button. This button is typically positioned at the top part of the OneDrive interface. Click it, and a range of sharing options will appear. You'll see a text box where you can type in the email address of the second OneDrive account, the one you want to transfer your folder to. Be careful here to enter the email correctly. This avoids any mishaps or sending the folder to the wrong address. After you've input the email, you have a couple of choices on how to proceed. The first option is simply clicking the Send button. Doing so will send a sharing invitation right to the specified email address. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on delivery, click on Copy Link. This generates a direct link to the folder that you can send manually through your choice of communication platforms, whether it be email, a messaging app, or another method. Before you finalize sending a link or the invitation, a crucial step is to review the permissions you're granting. Make sure the Can Edit option is checked. This permission allows the recipient to edit and manage the files once they receive them, which is particularly important if further collaboration is needed. If any additional adjustments are needed post-transfer, you'll need to log out of the active Microsoft account and then log into the second OneDrive account where the folder was shared. Once you're in, navigate to the Shared section from the main menu. This section displays all files and folders that have been shared with that account. Click on the folder you've just shared, and then you have an option to either copy it to the account storage or add a shortcut to My Files for easier access. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your files between two OneDrive accounts. This method offers a seamless and organized approach to managing files across personal and professional realms.